and welcome to Vlogmas Day 13. So we are going to be doing a Amazon winter find, all my favorite winter items from Amazon. Before we get started, I am having a giveaway on my Instagram, so I will have the giveaway post right here for anyone that wants to enter it. To enter, you will find this post on my Instagram and tag your friends, and then you can enter an extra time by following along with all of our Vlogmas videos this year. So every video will have a secret emoji in it, so this is going to be the secret emoji for this video. So you'll just comment this emoji under this post, and then that will enter you an extra time to have a better chance of winning. Let's just get right into it. Okay, so number one is a diffuser. This diffuser is so cute. So I got this a little while ago. I'd say like beginning of fall. This is really inexpensive. I want to say this was only like $15, but yeah, it's super cute. It's just this like cream color. It's coming off more white on camera, and then it has this orange light on it, so I'm gonna show you. Okay, no, it's telling me bitch there's no water, but yeah, so you'll see this lights up, and then when the steam comes out, it literally looks like it's just like a little like fire, almost like a little campfire. Cute with all my lights off, and when I'm like watching movies, I love to turn that one on. And then obviously, who doesn't like good scents in the winter time? Insert a little video while it's going the correct way so you can see what it looks like, but it is so cute, and like I said, super inexpensive. I will also link down below diffuser oils that I get. The ones that I get are pet friendly because a lot of diffuser oils are not safe for your pets, so if you are getting that and you have pets, be sure you do your research on what oils are safe for them, because different ones are safe for cats and dogs. Just the FYI. Next one is actually not very wintry. This is pretty much all year, but I had to show it because it is my favorite Amazon find. It's these sponges. I know these went viral. I know almost everyone has already tried these, and I am just late to the game. But when I tell you guys, I am a ride or die beauty blender brand type of girl. Like, I am like, no, $20 is actually worth it for the beauty blender because it's different. And I have tried every sponge out there, and all the ones that everyone says is like so good and just like beauty blender, and I'm like, no, it's not. These are. Like, when I tell you, these feel so similar to the beauty blender brand. I can't even explain it. You just need to try it. They are so inexpensive. I think this whole pack is like $6, and it comes with 6 of them. You can tell I only have 5 because I used 1. But these are the closest thing to like the same amount of like squishiness. So these, you need it. You literally need these. Okay, next one I actually don't have yet. I just purchased them because I saw one of my coworkers wearing it, and I was like, I need those. So she sent me the link. So I've seen them in person. I just don't currently have them yet, but they are on the way. So I will insert a picture right here. They are the platform Ugg dupes. Feel like I am too old now to like care about getting the real Ugg brand. I think in middle school, when I was in middle school / like high school, is when Uggs were really popular. Before now again, but when I was in school, it was so uncool if you didn't have the real Ugg brand, and now I'm too old. I'm like, I don't care to have the real Ugg brand, just want them to be cute. These mini platform Uggs, I saw them last year and I was like, these are so cute, and I saw them again this year and I was like, okay, I'm doing it, I'm buying them. I'm a short queen, so for me, the platform, I need it. Give me all the platform. So excited, cannot wait to get those, but these are the ones that I have ordered. Next one, I also don't have, but I physically have worn these, and again, I will insert photos of me wearing it. They are just in the wash because I wore them when I went to New York City, so I'm washing them right now from unpacking. They are just beanies. I love these beanies. They're super inexpensive, and I think they fit really well. They have so many different colors. So I have a nude one, and then I have a bright orange one. I actually love the bright orange one when I'm wearing like all black outfits. I just think beanies for me are so hard to find because, again, I am shorter, and like, I just don't have a huge head. Some beanies, you know, you like wear them and then it has this whole like extra beanie part up top, and some people can pull that off and it looks so cute, and I cannot. Like, I need them to fit appropriately, and these are that. So I love these. Okay, next one I actually showed in a vlog a long time ago for anyone that has seen this before, and I'm showing it again. It is this hot chocolate. I don't know if that's how you say that, but it's a mushroom blend superfood hot chocolate. So when I showed this before, I was adding it into my coffee, which I also love doing because I I like the extra flavor, but this tastes amazing on its own, and it's like a healthy version of hot chocolate. It has all these extra mushrooms in it. There we go. Yeah, so it has like lion's mane, ashwagandha, chaga, I don't know how you say all these, but yeah, I know ashwagandha actually helps with like de-stressing. I love for some reason to come home and just have a warm cup of hot chocolate. I like never do that except around like the holidays. These are one of my favorites. It only has 2 grams of sugar in them, and then yeah, they're only 25 calories. So not that you need to be counting your calories if you want a cup of hot chocolate. Have a cup of regular hot chocolate, but this tastes just as good and is actually pretty healthy for you. Guys, this is maybe my favorite Amazon find ever. It is this candle lighter. It's an electric candle lighter, so it's not like a flame. So you just recharge it. This will never die, you just recharge it. So you literally press it up like that, and then you just press this button, and then you just put that part on your candle, and it will light your candles for you, and it's electric. And I think it's so cool. Everyone I show is like, that's so cool. And I'm like, I know. But yeah, I feel like obviously I use this year round, but I just really use my candles this time of year. Like, I love all the warm scented candles around this time of year. So my favorite thing is coming home and lighting all my candles and having my house smell like cookies. So this is that girl. And I think she's like $5, and this will last you forever. Okay, and then last thing, again, this isn't a huge Amazon find haul. This I actually bought last year, and I am obsessed with her still. So it is just this puffer jacket, this like fake leather puffer jacket, so it has that leathery look. Guys, this obviously came out before the new like Kai line, which is Kylie Jenner's line if you haven't seen it yet. This looks very similar. It's more of like a puffer style than hers, but very similar to her like puffy leather jacket that she has in that line. So if you're looking for a good dupe for that, this would be it. But this is such good quality. I don't remember how much I spent on it, but it wasn't a lot. I think it was maybe like $40. And I used it all last year, and I've been using it all this year. So this is what it looks like. And then yeah, it's not like too cropped, which I love, but it's not cropped. Like, it's a little bit cropped, but not too cropped, because I wanted like a real jacket. And yeah, it's just such good quality, cute and comfortable. So that's like my only winter jacket that I own. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed all of these Amazon finds. If you have any favorite Amazon finds of your own, please leave them as a comment, because your girl will buy it. So yeah, I will have everything linked down below in my Amazon storefront. If you are interested in anything, it will all be there for you guys. And yeah, I will see you guys literally tomorrow for the next Vlogmas video. Peace out.